What's going on, guys? This is Dewan Walton from A&A Group Incorporated, and I'm back with another video, all right? In today's video, all right, we've got some demolition going on. What you see behind me, okay? What we'll be doing is this was originally a deck, but they made it into a back porch, so we'll be opening up all of these walls, okay? Take it all in. So that wall, this wall, that wall. This wall is staying because that goes back into the house. But this was originally a deck, like I said, but you know, as soon as you frame some walls and put some doors and windows up, it becomes a back porch. So we will be making this more of an open concept. So this is demolition, but it's a careful demo, all right? It's a careful demo. So I'm gonna put you guys on a quick time lapse and let's get to it.
Diesel, you play too much. play too much. Diesel, you play too much.
What's going on, guys? DeJuan Walton. You know I'm here from A&N Group. We are back, day 2, okay? We got all of the sheathing down, all of the paneling down. Now today we will be taking down the 2x4s, right? Because as I showed you guys in the beginning, this was once a enclosed, but now we're making it an open concept because this was always originally a deck. They framed walls on top of the deck, and we're here to knock them down and make this back an open concept. So this is day 2. As you can see, it's open. You know what I'm saying? So y'all already know, y'all going on the time lapse, and we're gonna get these 2x4s up out of here. Let's go. All right, people. So day 2, demo day. Allergies tweaking right now, but as you guys can see, we have all the 2x4s down. We're keeping the 4x4 post up, of course, because that's what's holding the roof. That's what's holding the structure above. All right. They only built the 2x4s. That was only to hold up the sheathing and the panel for the inside and outside of the walls. So all we have to do now is, as you guys can see, it's still 2x4s on the ground. We're gonna pry those up, and also on top of here, like right here, it's a lot of nails. Okay, we're gonna take all these 2x4s out, and it's back an open concept. It was once an enclosed room, but we opened up all of the walls, tore down all of the walls. Of course, we're keeping the 4x4 posts, as I just mentioned. And yeah, guys, you know what I'm saying? New t-shirts in, you know what I'm saying? Check out the shirts. Don't forget to, if y'all like content like this, you know what I'm saying? Leave me a like, you know what I'm saying? Leave me a subscribe, leave me a comment, interact with us. We're responding to everybody, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, because I ain't gonna lie, here at A&N, we're showing you what we're doing, how we're doing it, and how you can do it too. You feel me? So, here we go. Okay, guys, that wraps everything up. I had fun doing this 2-day job. Client's happy, I'm happy, but most importantly, the client is happy. A lot of work, but we got in here, we got it done. No job too big or too small. Yeah, this really makes me happy that the client is really happy, because that's what we're aiming for. You feel me? We're exceeding customer satisfaction. You know what I'm saying? That's what makes us happy. You know. So again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch y'all on the next video. I can for sure tell you guys, like, hey, you know, the time is now. Whatever you're working on, whatever you're trying to do, whatever you want to do, do it. What are you waiting on? You know, it takes one step, one move that'll change your whole life. Yeah.